So I'm heading up to check out the Wang. Decent old walk. You've got to walk along these muddy, slippery dirt track, and at times you're walking on this pulley pipe. Bit of a jungle trek this way. This way. Some of you, if you've been to Thailand, may have been into those little fish spas. Put your feet in the tank and the tiny little fish come along and they graze on the dead skin. Well, it seems to be the same fish here. Unfortunately, you can't see them with that lighting and the movement, but they're there. They're pecking away, and I'll let them have a bit of feed for the moment. This beautiful fungi. A little more fungi in here. Oh, not really. You can sort of get it. You get what I mean. It's a decent old walk. She's very steamy. Absolutely breaking into a sweat, but nice little spot up at the waterfall there, very beautiful. Water was chilly, needless to say, but we're still just walking back. At the moment, I think I'll pop back into the swimming pool, I reckon, later when I get back to the resort. That sounds like a damn good idea. Well, I hope you're enjoying the video. Keep on watching. The size of these things. Oh, huge. Huge, I tell you. Been a few hours, so this is where I'm off to. Up here. And here we go. Here we go. Perfect. This is just the outside of the cafe, and I believe the cafe will probably maybe down in there. Maybe there's some piano going somewhere. I guess it's in there. Gone now.
You got die motorbike go tomorrow with Tata.
That concludes another adventure with Bernie. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and please give it the thumbs up. And remember, it's nice to be important, but it's important to be nice.